Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Milatul Hoiria. I want to talk about the paper entitled Technology as a Motivational Factor in Foreign Language Learning and ICT in ELT. How did we get here and where are we going? And how the relation about the paper with this condition, especially me as an English learner and pre-serving teacher. Okay, the first one. In the paper entitled Technology as a Motivational Factor in Foreign Language Learning, there are several things that we learn, such as the importance of motivation. Motivation is crucial for effective learning, especially in language acquisition. Increased motivation can mobilize students' personal, cognitive, emotional, and behavioral resources, so leading to improved learning outcomes. And the role of digital technologies such as the web, digital game, mobile application, or other communication tools can be used both inside and outside the classroom. So, these technologies can create a more interesting and mengurangi rasa bosan ketika belajar bahasa Inggris, sehingga hal tersebut bisa meningkatkan motivasi belajar siswa dalam belajar bahasa Inggris tersebut. And technology can serve as a motivational factor for student learning. Therefore, a teacher should be able to choose the right technological resources to increase student motivation. In addition, teachers should understand the impact of technology on motivation in the context of language learning. Meanwhile, in the paper entitled ICT in LT, How Did We Get Here and Where Are We Going? There are several things that can be learned, such as the historical context of CELL, perkembangan dari Computer Assisted Language Learning atau CELL itu dimulai dari pertengahan tahun 1980 sampai akhir dari 1990. Lalu impact of Web 2.0, a significant shift occurred with the advent of Web 2.0 in the late 19th century, which changed how teachers and learners interact with technology. This era enabled a more creative and collaborative approach to language learning, moving away from static resources to dynamic and user-generated content. In addition, technological advancement beginning with hardware to software. Jadi perkembangan teknologi itu dimulai dari hardware seperti papan tulis menuju ke software seperti saat ini yang banyak program-program yang disediakan secara online. Dan hal tersebut memiliki pengaruh pada metode pengajaran dan juga perkembangan material yang ada. And then the use of corpus in creating learner dictionaries and teaching material is also emphasized because it provides real example of language use, increasing the relevance and authenticity of learning material. On the other hand, using technology in ELT and blended learning, combining online and face-to-face teaching will become increasingly prevalent. So, online communities such as the Web Hits in Action will be highlighted as important support system to teachers who want to integrate technology into teaching practice. So, based on the result of the group discussion that have been conducted, it can be concluded that who I can learn from the two papers above are the development of technology used in English learning can increase student learning motivation. The use of technology facilities in second language learning increase enjoyment, engagement, and cognitive skill. And pengoptimalisasian dalam penggunaan teknologi itu memiliki dampak yang besar bagi motivasi belajar siswa. Seperti itu. And related to the paper, our experience as English learner is the use of technology, in example as YouTube, game application, and website makes learning English easier, more fun, and more flexible. On the other hand, there are also difficulties when learning English using technology, so it needs a teacher to explain in more detail. Jadi pengalaman saya dan teman-teman ketika berdiskusi, ketika kita sebagai pelajar bahasa Inggris itu ketika menggunakan teknologi memiliki sisi baik berupa belajar bahasa Inggris itu lebih mudah, lebih menyenangkan, dan juga lebih fleksibel seperti itu. Tapi ada juga beberapa kesulitan ketika kita belajar menggunakan teknologi. Jadi kita membutuhkan guru untuk menerangkan materi atau menjelaskan materi yang ada di dalam video atau aplikasi tersebut lebih detailnya. And in addition, our experience, especially me as an English teacher, are the use of technology makes learning English easier. The learning content is more variation. Jadi pembelajarannya itu lebih bervariasi and not boring, tidak membosankan. However, sometimes the use of technology in learning activities is complicated and some technologies are difficult to operate. Tetapi terkadang ketika saya menggunakan teknologi itu, pembelajaran bahasa Inggris itu lebih ribet karena harus menyiapkan perangkatnya dan mungkin kadang teknologinya itu susah untuk dioperasikan karena tidak terbiasa menggunakan. So, our future plan as English teacher is to create a special application for English learning that contains complete learning material and beragam proses atau cara pelatihan bahasa Inggris tersebut. And of course, there have a potential and challenges in the plan. One of potential of the plan is the use of a special application makes it easier for teacher and student to access because they are familiar with it. Jadi mestinya kan dalam menjalankan sebuah rencana itu pasti ada potensialnya atau keuntungannya, dan juga ada challengesnya atau tantangannya. Dan salah satu dari keunggulan atau potensi yang bisa digunakan atau dikembangkan dari penggunaan aplikasi khusus tersebut yaitu guru dan siswa lebih mudah untuk mengaksesnya karena sudah familiar atau sudah terbiasa untuk menggunakan. Jadi pembelajarannya itu lebih praktis dan fleksibel seperti itu. Meanwhile, one of the challenges is the constraint on internet connection and device, because the device that will be used must be completely adequate to operate the application. Dan salah satu tantangannya itu terkadang terkendala pada koneksi jaringan dan juga device-nya, karena pengoperasian suatu aplikasi itu harus didukung dengan device yang memadai dan sesuai dengan aplikasi tersebut. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you and sorry if any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.